What is going on, guys? Welcome to Tech Gadgets in Action, the channel dedicated to bringing you all things tech, everything from quick looks and unboxings to setups and reviews. Today, we'll be looking at a set of LED headlights for your car, go over some of its specs, and I'll show you how easy it is to install them yourself. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to be notified every time we bring you a new video. We bring you fresh content every single week and your support goes a long way. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing. Looking at the front of the box, we can see this LED kit is from BeamTech, and I'll talk a little bit about why I decided to go with this one a little bit later on. Turning the box over to the rear side shows us that it's available in multiple different bulb sizes. When placing your order, be sure to order the correct bulb size. I went with H11 as that's the size of the headlight bulbs for my car. Depending on the bulb your car uses, some bulb sizes have both high and low beam built into the same bulb, while others require you to have a separate bulb for high and for low. Turning the box around, we can see some of the specs, including the color temperature, which in this case is 6500K, which is basically white with a hint of blue. Also, we can see the expected operating life of these bulbs is over 30,000 hours, so they should last you many years. Opening up the box reveals the instruction manual, which illustrates the steps required to change your bulb. Cushioned inside the protective foam is a set of LED bulbs. Let's go ahead and remove it from its packaging. And here we get a better look at the design. The shape of the bulb is made to mimic the halogen bulbs, which helps prevent glare for other drivers. Here we have the H11 connector, which makes for simple plug-and-play operation. The base of the bulb is made of a special material which helps dissipate heat and keep the bulbs at a cool operating temperature. After many hours of research, there are a few reasons I went with this set of LED headlights over the many others that are available. The most important being its ability to keep true to the light projection to your stock bulbs, without the glare which can blind other drivers. Also a factor was brightness. These provide about 50% brighter light than stock halogens for low beams and approximately 25% for high beams. There are other kits out there which are much brighter, like the lightning dark, which I think might be a little too bright and will affect other drivers on the road. Lastly, let's talk about the price. I picked these up from Amazon for $36.99 with an available manufacturer coupon of 20% at the time of purchase, making the final price just under $30. The price varies from time to time, so be sure to check the link in the description to see the most up-to-date pricing. Next, we're going to take a look at changing the bulb. The method of changing the bulb will vary from car to car. In my case, the bulb is easily accessible from the top with the hood open. Check your car's service manual to see how you can access the headlight bulb. If you're not comfortable doing any of that yourself, you can always bring your car to an auto shop or a mechanic and ask them for assistance. As long as accessing the bulb doesn't require removing the bumper, it shouldn't cost too much. Anywhere from $15 to $20 would be a fair price. Here we have the stock halogen bulbs that came with my car. Switching them to LED is as simple as plug and play. There is no need for any extra wiring, ballasts, or harnesses. First, we need to locate where the bulb goes into the headlight assembly. From here, we turn the bulb counterclockwise and remove it from its housing and disconnect it from the car's connector. Next, grab your LED headlight bulb and insert it into the housing and turn it clockwise. Lastly, plug in the connector to your car and you're done. Simply repeat the same process on the other side. The whole process took me about 15 minutes from start to finish. Let's have a look at both sides, with and without the LED headlights. And here we have the final product. I think they came out very nice and I'm very pleased with them. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button. If you are interested in getting this for your car, I will leave a link in the description down below. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already to see many more amazing tech in action, and let us know what you would like to see in the comments down below. Thank you for being awesome, and we will see you next time.